I think we're on to something. All right, so last time I told you guys a little bit about what was going on with everything, but mostly my tomatoes, and that I was going to do an experiment and do a side by side after putting them into some new soil mixture, a new seed starting mix. And let me show you what's going on. Okay, so here are the tomatoes that I left in the original mixture of just the coco coir. I wanted to keep everything the same, so when I took the other ones out, I did go ahead and plant these a little bit deeper, just so if planting them deeper allowed them to grow a little bit better, that was staying the same for both trays, just so that it wasn't, we could kind of count that out as being a difference too if they were going to do better. So this is what those are looking like. And here are the ones in the new mixture. I mean, huge difference. Look at these San Marzanos. These have exploded. They're doing so much better. They look so much happier. The small cherry ones still look pretty small, but I'm wondering if that's just the nature of the plant. Like if that's just a smaller plant in general because they're small cherry tomatoes versus big, paste tomatoes or anything like that. But look at these. I mean, it's just crazy. Okay, so one of the things I already mentioned was that when I planted these ones, I obviously planted them a little bit deeper just so that they weren't as leggy. And if they were leggy, they had more of a root system underneath them. So that was kind of my hope when I planted these. And so with this one, they were still pretty leggy. And I was thinking to myself, I don't want that to be a factor in trying to figure out which soil is better, because I didn't know, maybe having leggy tomato plants was slowing the process of them growing. And if these ones were planted deeper, I wanted to do the same with these ones. So I went ahead and planted these ones all deeper. So they did get moved around a little bit, and I don't know if I disturbed them or what, but I've been fertilizing these the same. Even though this seed starting mix has nutrition in it, I did still fertilize these. I wasn't sure if I should or not, but I wanted to keep everything the same. So I fertilized these after putting them in this soil. Altogether, these have gotten a diluted liquid fertilizer twice for over the past 2 weeks, once a week. And these, it's, the proof is in the pudding. I cannot get over how big these ones got, and these ones haven't changed at all. So that makes me think that, I definitely should have used that original seed starting mix first, and that probably would have helped out all of my seedlings. And now looking at everything again, I'm really tempted to change my peppers and kind of repot them into some of that other seed starting mix. I'm torn because I don't know if I should just leave them or if they'd be okay with being disturbed a little bit for the sake of getting better soil and doing better more quickly. Let me show you what I mean. So these probably look the same as when they were in the last video. You can see that they're working on getting those true leaves, but they are going very slow. And I am fertilizing them, same as the tomatoes, once a week. So they've gotten it twice now, but it's just not really seeming to do anything. So I'm really, really, really tempted to repot these into that different mix and see if that's better for them. So let me know what you guys think
This is just kind of a quick update to show you what's going on with the tomatoes.
Because I just couldn't wait. I was so excited. It's only been 6 days. I did that last Wednesday, it's Tuesday. So that was quick. I mean, I was not expecting it to make that big of a difference right away. So just wanted to show you guys really quickly kind of what happened with that and share my thoughts along the way of if that's something that I want to do with my peppers too. I'm really tempted to. I really want to see those guys perk up and thrive a little bit more, and seeing the tomatoes do that. You know, I know it's like an extra step, but I'm all about trying to figure this out. And if the seed starting mix is going to be that big of a factor, then I definitely want to get it right. So we'll see. I'll keep thinking about it. Really quick on the lettuce too. I mean, obviously that hasn't changed either. So I did go ahead and start a new batch, I guess, in the new seed starting mix. So we'll see if those ones do a lot better, and hope that that's the winning ticket too. And just some onion love, and planted more in the old blueberry container, and those are slowly starting to come up, but these ones look a lot better than obviously their counterparts. And that's not the new soil, actually. That's still just coco coir, but I'm trying to pay more attention to watering and doing it right. So I think that might be a big difference there. So yeah, just a super quick update, but thanks for tuning in. Bye.